Hey guys, I'm Sadie, and this is Ezra, and we are the Samsons. Right? Right? Yeah. Mwah. Mwah. Today we are filming Ezra's first time having baby food. He's had baby food before with my mom, but I've never given it to him myself. Why are you looking at me like that? You trying to figure out who I'm talking to? You trying to figure out who mommy's talking to? So I'm gonna give him baby food today, and I'm gonna film it for you guys. So we have banana. Okay, seems like a contender. We've got, these ones came out of the pack here. The other one fell out. Apple mango with rice cereal. He does love the baby cereal. We've got, chicken noodle soup. That sounds like a real meal. Okay, I think you like all of these. And sweet potato, which we know you like. Sweet potato is the one that my mom gives him. So we are going to try, which one do you want to do? Can we try something other than sweet potato? Please? You always use sweet potato. Let's do, are you feeling fruity or do you want food? You want chicken noodle soup? Your mouth is watering, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Banana or chicken noodle soup? I'll let you pick. Pick. Banana, chicken noodle soup. Pick one. Pick one. Pick. Pick one. Stop looking at me like that, son. Which one do you want? Banana it is, guys. All right. So, mommy is going to open up this baby food. Got the paper towels over on the table. Hold on, guys. I have not bought a high chair yet. So we've got his little bumbo in our bar stool. So we need a high chair. So I will be purchasing one. If you guys have any recommendations for a good one, let me know so we can get a high chair for our little baby. For our little baby. Can you say hi? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. What? You just ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Okay. All right, guys. So we are going to feed this baby some baby food. Feed this baby some baby food. Okay. So we got the banana. It smells like bananas, but we're gonna see. So I got his handy dandy little spoon here. Some paper towels. So we're gonna do a baby food mukbang, right? Are you ready? Okay, just practicing. Here we go. We're gonna mix that up a little bit. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do you think? Thoughts? Guys, I think he likes it. Do you like this one? Ooh. Yummy. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. No, let mommy do it. Let mommy do it. Let mommy do it. Here, here, here. This is what happens with cereal too. He like, because he's so hungry. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good, bananas? Nope. Ezzy. Ezzy. That's not funny. Mmm. Yummy, yum. Okay. I'm not going fast enough, apparently. Is that good? Mmm. Ezzy. Okay. Alright, son. Uh-oh. This is getting out of control. For those wondering why I didn't put a bib on him, it's because this shirt it was given to us and it has stuff all over it anyway. And we just moved in last week and I have no idea where his bibs are yet, so I can't find them. So we're gonna go with this messy shirt instead of a naked baby. Is that good? Do you love that? Is it good? Is it good, buddy? Look at his face, guys. Look at him. Look at him. Is that good? Is that good? Is that yummy? Is it yummy? Yeah, okay. Let's have some more. You want more? Can you say more? Say more. More. You do your hands like this. Say more. 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 Say more. More. Okay. Close enough. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Mmm. You like the banana. Ooh. You like that banana baby food. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. Mmm. Can you sit up so mommy can feed you? Sit up. I'm gonna give it to you. I promise. I promise I'm giving it to you. I promise. Hey, let mommy do it. Thank you. Can you tell YouTube how good your food is? Mmm. Yummy. Mm. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso. Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. You like this? Yummy. I should have gave you peas. No. I wanted my baby's first baby food experience to be memorable, so I was not going to give him peas. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I couldn't do it, guys. You're doing a good job with this, buddy. I'm proud of you. Mmm. He's obsessed with these feet. Can you sit up and not play with your feet while we're eating? Son? Son? No feet at the table, okay? No feet at the table. Okay, I'm going. Son, really? Now your hands are all yucky. Let me see hands. Can I have the paper towel back? Okay. Wipe your mouth. Good boy. Good job. You make mommy so proud. Let me see. Let mama see. Let me see. Can I have this? Can I have it? Can I have it? Here. Now let go. You're so strong. Give me the paper towel. Give me the paper towel. Give me. I'm gonna eat you. Thank you. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Yummy. Do you like that? Do you like that? Mmm. Mmm. I'm so proud of you. You like banana? You like banana? Tell the people you like it. Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. Mmm. Now we gotta have bananas for lunch. We got a big day today. Today. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's talk more feedy. Okay. Today, Ezzy's going to his very first Rockets game. So you guys will see that on next week's video. What do you think? What do you think? Are you excited to go to your Rockets game? Your very first Rockets game? Are you excited? You hear your sisters over there making noise? Yeah. Coco and Oreo are making noise. Okay, here we go. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Really? Do you have to try to pull your clothes off? You're not a naked baby today. Not right now. Later. Hey. You can't be naked right now. You're filming, okay? You have to keep clothes on. It's not that kind of show, okay? Okay, little handsome boy. Okay. Want your more nanas? Hey. Here. Do not put that foot in your mouth. Uh-oh. Guys, this is the tricky part about feeding a baby food and cereal. It's like you can't go fast enough, and they get upset. Okay. Son, let's talk about this. Whoa. Are you done? You don't want any more? Are you done? You look done. Are you done? Okay. I guess he's done. He did eat quite a bit, though, I think. Oh. See, he ate quite a bit. Yeah, so I think we got a thumbs up for bananas. What did you think? Did you like those bananas? Did you like those bananas? Bananas? Do you know how to spell bananas? B-A-N-A-N-A-S. 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 That's how I learned how to spell bananas. Yeah? Was it good? Did you like those nanas? So this week's baby food of the week is bananas. Right? Do you like bananas? Brought to you by PBS Kids and Gwen Stefani. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Stop looking at me like that, son. Mommy, wipe your face. Mommy's gonna wipe that face. No. You want to tell the people your songs? Ezzy has songs that Mommy made up for him. And you want to sing one? Which one? Which one? How about Ezzy Wezzykins? Okay, ready? Ezzy Wezzykins, Ezzy Wezzykins. Ezzy Wezzykins, Ezzy Wezzykins. Ezzy Wezzykins, Ezzy Wezzykins. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh my goodness. Why are you looking at me like that? Do you guys see this? Ezzy, we go through this daily. Like, he is always. What? What? It's not funny. What? You think that's funny? Okay, guys, watch this. This will make him laugh every time. Look at me. Hey, look at Mama. Ezzy, Ezra, Ezra. You're a big boy now, big boy now, big boy now. You're a big boy now, big boy now, big boy now. Yay! Yay! Mommy loves you. Say we love you, YouTube. Ezzy loves you too. Ezzy loves Mama. Right? Right? Yeah. Is that true? Say, all right, guys. I had my baby food. I'm nice and full. I'm Mommy. And I'm Ezzy. Oh. He doesn't want to sign off. Tell us a link or comment down below. A high chair that you like for your baby or your grandkids or whatever. So we can buy a high chair for Ezzy because this isn't going to work much longer. No. So we can go out and get a high chair this week. So again, guys, I'm Mommy. I'm Ezzy. This is Ezzy. He likes that hand. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that way you can be notified every single time we post new content. New content. New content. Remember, we post one video a week at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time here on YouTube. And you may be able to catch Playtime with Ezzy live once or twice a week. I'm Mommy. This is Ezzy. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.